So what's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to freeze the frame in Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. And before I start, if you're finding this video for helpful, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And yeah, let's go. Let's show you how to freeze the frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. Actually, this will be very quick tutorial, so you don't have to worry about it. It's not complicated. And yeah, first let's make this video not so loud. This, and let's say we wanna freeze this time when this man is punching when this man punch his PC here. So now right click on the video like me, and now click on add frame hold, and that cuts our video on two parts. And as you can see, now this frame is freezed. Just delete the audio, and we can make some meme of that. Like we can put some meme, like let's say we want to put this "we'll be right back," and let's put here Auto K to remove the green screen, and let's play it again. And as you can see, it's working. I mean, the freeze frame is working, and we made this video like a meme. And that was it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have, as I said, if you have some questions, some problems, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.